Hello students, we are doing Animal Kingdom chapter 4. We have done up to Phylum Platyhelminthes, now Phylum Esculenthes. Roundworms, their members are roundworms. Flatworms are included in Platyhelminthes, roundworms are Esculenthes. They are free-living, aquatic, parasitic in plants and animals. Okay, organ system level of organization is same. Okay, in porifera, cellular level of organization. In platyhelminthes, organ level of organization. Now in esculenthes, organ system level of organization. Okay, they possess bilaterally symmetrical body. Okay, triploblastic and pseudophylomates. What are pseudophylomates? Pseudophylomates in which true cavity is not present. Mesoderm is present as a scattered pouches. Okay, true cavity is not present. Then complete alimentary canal with muscular pharynx. Sexes are separate, dioecious. Dioecious means sexes are separate. Male and female are distinct. When it comes to females are longer than males. Internal fertilization with direct development or indirect. Examples are Ascaris, Wucheria, and Ankylostoma. Ascaris roundworm, Wucheria filaria worm, Ankylostoma hookworm. These examples are important. Okay, Esculenthes. Now look at the figure 4.1. Roundworm, Esculenthes. Female is longer than male, you can see. Okay, now comes to phylum Annelida. Phylum Annelida, main member of which is very important is earthworm and Nereis. Nereis is an aquatic form. An important feature of Annelida phylum is metamerism, segmented body. They possess organ system level of organization, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and metamerically segmented body they possess. Okay, they are phylomate animals, means true cavity is present. Metamerism, they possess metamerism. Longitudinal and circular muscles help in locomotion. Nereis, which is aquatic form, possess parapodia. Very important. Nereis, which is the member of phylum Annelida, possess parapodia that helps in swimming. Nephridia. This is also very important feature of phylum Annelida. Nephridia for osmoregulation and excretion. Nephridia for osmoregulation and excretion. Neural system consists of paired ganglia. Nereis, which is aquatic form, is dioecious, but earthworm and leech is monoecious. Monoecious means both reproductive sperm and egg are produced in same individual. Male and female reproductive parts are present in same individual. This is known as monoecious. Dioecious, in which sexes are separate. Nereis is dioecious, but earthworm and leech are monoecious. Examples are Nereis, earthworm, and blood-sucking leech, Hirudinaria. Now comes to Phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is largest phylum of किंगडम एनिमेलिया. आर्थ्रोपोडा में इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. इंसेक्ट्स दे पोजेस ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बायलेटरली सिमेट्रिकल, ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक, सेगमेंटेड, phylomate animals. Phylomate means they possess true cavity lined by mesodermal cells. Body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Body is covered by chitin. Chitinous exoskeleton consists of head, thorax, abdomen. Okay. One of the most important feature of Phylum Arthropoda is they possess jointed appendages, jointed legs, jointed appendages. Jointed appendages is the main feature of Phylum Arthropoda. You have to remember. Then gills, book lungs or tracheal system. These for respiration. Open system, circulatory system. Open type circulatory system. Then sensory organs like antennae. This is also very important. Antennae are present in Phylum Arthropoda. These are sensory organs. Compound eye, very important, present in cockroach. Simple and compound eye, these are the feature of Arthropoda. Sensory organs like antennae, eyes, compound and simple. Then balancing organs, statocysts are present. Then very important feature, Malpighian tubules for excretion. In Phylum Annelida, excretory organ is nephridia. In Arthropoda, Malpighian tubules help in excretion. They are dioecious, means sexes are separate. Internal fertilization and mostly oviparous. Examples, honeybee, lac insect, silkworm. Very important example is living fossil, Limulus. Living fossil, which is Limulus, Leucosta. Vectors are included in Arthropoda. All the insects are included in Arthropoda. Anopheles, culex, Aedes. Living fossil is Limulus. Okay. Now comes to Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca is second largest. Largest phylum is Phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Mollusca is second largest. They possess organ system level of organization, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. Body covered by calcareous shell. Body is covered by calcareous shell होता है and unsegmented. Body of Arthropoda and Annelida is segmented, but the body of Mollusca is unsegmented, covered by shell with distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Body parts are head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Okay. Then soft and spongy layer of skin forms mantle over visceral hump. क्या होता है कि जो स्पेस मेंटल और विसरल हम्प में होती है उसे मेंटल कैविटी कहते हैं. Soft and spongy layer of skin forms mantle over visceral hump, and the space between the mantle and the visceral hump is called mental cavity. Mental cavity में क्या होता है? Gills. Okay. Respiratory and excretory functions होते हैं gills के. In mental cavity, gills are present having respiratory and excretory functions. Look at the diagram 4.13. This octopus, this is visceral hump. Okay, this is visceral hump. The next, anterior head region has sensory tentacles. Rasping organ for feeding. फीडिंग के लिए माउथ में रेस्पिंग ऑर्गन होता है कॉल्ड रेडुला. दिस इज द फीचर ऑफ फाइलम मोलस्का. दे आर डायोशियस एंड ओविपेरस. एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हैं? इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल है पाइला, एप्पल स्नेल. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर पाइला, पिंक टाडा, सेपिया, ऑक्टोपस. ओके, पाइला, पिंक टाडा, सेपिया, octopus. These are important examples. Now comes to phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata, main features of Echinodermata